Welcome to Learn English Podcast 360. Do you say, she have a car, or she has a car? Listen carefully which one is correct. Many learners make this mistake every day, and maybe you have made this mistake too. But don't worry. Today we will make this very simple and very clear. Take a deep breath. Relax. Don't worry. This is very easy. Today you will understand have, has, and had step by step.
Slowly.
Naturally. You don't need to remember difficult rules. You just need to feel the language and practice a little. Have you ever felt confused about these words?
That's okay.
You are learning, and you are improving. Let's begin. Let's start with have. We use have with these subjects. I, you, we, and they. Let's listen to some simple examples. I have a phone. You have a bag. We have time. They have 2 children. These sentences are simple. They talk about things we own or things in our life. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I have a phone. You have a bag. We have time. They have 2 children. You're doing great.
Now let's check something.
Do we say, I has a phone? Think for a moment.
No.
That is not correct. We say, I have a phone. So, remember this simple idea. We use have with I, you, we, and they. Let's say it together. I have. You have. We have. They have. Excellent.
You are learning step by step.
Now let's move to has. This is also very simple. We use has with he, she, and it. Let's listen to some examples. He has a car. She has long hair. It has 4 legs. Very simple, right? Now, let's compare. Listen carefully. I have a car. She has a car. You have a bag. He has a bag. Can you hear the difference? Now, repeat after me. He has a car. She has long hair. It has 4 legs. You are doing very well. Now, let's do a quick check. Listen. He have a car, or he has a car? Which one is correct?
Yes.
That's right. He has a car. Very good. So here is the simple idea. We use has with he, she, and it. Let's say it together.
He has.
She has. It has.
Perfect.
Now you understand more than before. Now let's talk about the past. We use had for the past. Had is the past form of have and has. This means we use had when we talk about yesterday or before now. Let's listen to some examples. I had breakfast. She had a dog. We had a great day. Now repeat after me. I had breakfast. She had a dog. We had a great day. Very nice. Here is a very easy way to remember. For today, we use have or has. For yesterday, we use had. That's it. No need for long rules. Let's check your understanding. Yesterday, do we say have or had?
Yes.
We say had. Very good. Let's repeat together. Yesterday had.
Past had.
Excellent. You are improving already. Now take a moment. You understand. I have. She has. We had. This is already a big step. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. And you're doing great. All right. Now let's connect everything you've learned. We're going to look at the same situation, but change the subject and the time. Listen carefully. I have a job. She has a job. Yesterday, I had a job interview. Now, think about it. First sentence, I have a job. This means I have a job in the present. Second sentence, she has a job.
It's just a small change.
The subject is she, so we use has. Third sentence, yesterday I had a job interview. Now it's in the past. Yesterday means the past, so have becomes had. Can you feel the difference? It's very simple, right? Present, have or has. Past, had. Same idea, but when the time changes, the verb also changes. Let's try one more time together. I have a job. She has a job. Yesterday, I had a job interview. You're improving. Now I'm going to tell you a short story. Just listen and feel it. Listen carefully. Yesterday, I had a busy day. I woke up early. I had a quick breakfast. Then I went to work. My friend has a new job. She is very happy. She has a nice office and friendly coworkers. In the evening, we met. We talked and laughed a lot. Now we have more time to relax. That was a good day. Now let's listen again. Listen again. Yesterday, I had a busy day. My friend has a new job. We have more time now.
Can you see it?
Had is used for yesterday. Has is used for my friend. Have is used for we. Everything is connected. Now let's practice speaking a little. Repeat one sentence after me. My friend has a new job. One more time. We have more time now. The story is very simple, but it helps you see how English works in real life. Now, it's your turn to speak. Answer these simple questions. After each question, I will pause so you can speak. Question 1. What do you have now? You can say, I have a phone, or I have a job, or anything you want. Question 2. Who has a pet in your family? You can say, my sister has a dog, or my brother has a cat.
Keep going.
Question 3. What did you have yesterday? You can say, I had coffee, or I had a meeting, or I had a busy day. Very nice. Now, let's repeat a few patterns together. Repeat after me. I have, she has, I had. You're doing very well.
Keep going.
Now let's review quickly. Listen and repeat a little faster. I have.
She has.
We have.
He has.
Yesterday, we say had. One more time. I have.
She has.
We have.
He has.
Yesterday, we say had. Very good. Remember, present, have and has. Past, had. That's it. Now you understand much better. Before we finish, I want you to remember something very important. English is simple. It's not as hard as you think. You just need to learn step by step. Small steps every day. A little bit every day, and you will improve very fast. And remember, you are improving.
Right now.
Be proud of yourself. You've learned have, has, and had. That's a great step forward. If you found this video helpful, you can like and subscribe for more simple lessons like this. Thank you for learning with me today. Take care and see you next time.